Good morning everybody, we're just in the pedal shop here in Runaway Bay in sunny Queensland. So we have a product today called StrikeHold. It's got many applications, however one of its specialist applications is bicycles. Today we have a BMX, so it goes on as a wet, oily type substance, but it completely dries and leaves a nanotech dry seal. So anybody that's near the coast needs to know about this product, because now you could ride this bike up and down the beach, and that barrier will protect your bike from salt water corrosion. You can pretty much do everything with this product, including the metal, the plastics, the leathers, cables. You can even do your tires. We absolutely stay away from the brakes because it will lubricate the brakes, which we don't want.